Dive into the depths of fantasy with this captivating carnivorous fish pen drawing tutorial. Unleash your inner artist and embark on an extraordinary artistic journey. Let's capture the essence of carnivorous fish, imbuing it with a unique blend of realism and imagination. Begin by meticulously sketching the outline of your carnivorous fish, ensuring its form aligns with your creative vision. Delve into the intricacies of its anatomy, rendering its scales, fins, and distinctive features with precision and detail.